Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In this video, we will guide you through setting up a PPPoE-based ISP configuration using the MikroTik Router board. This guide covers the purpose, configuration, and deployment of a PPPoE server for an ISP. PPPoE, point-to-point protocol over Ethernet, is a network protocol commonly used by Internet Service Providers, ISPs, to manage and authenticate users over an Ethernet connection. It encapsulates data packets and enables multiple users to share a single connection while maintaining separate sessions. Essentially, it allows ISPs to assign unique IP addresses to users, manage bandwidth, and ensure secure, authenticated access to the Internet. Step 1. Configure WAN. Access MikroTik Router via Winbox. Here, I will set up interface 1 to operate as the WAN port. Next, go to IP, then select addresses in the menu. Click the plus button to add a new IP address. In the address box, enter the static IP address provided by your ISP and the subnet mask. Select the WAN port, then click OK to apply the settings. Next, go to IP, then select routes. Click the plus button to add a new route. Enter the gateway IP address provided by your ISP. Next, open the new terminal in Winbox and test connectivity by pinging an external address. Step 2. Configure DNS. In the left menu, go to IP DNS. Enter the DNS server IP addresses. Step 3. Configure local area network. Next, go to IP, then select addresses. Click the plus button to add a new IP address. Enter a private IP address to the LAN interface. Step 4. Configure network address translation. Go to the IP, then select Firewall. Under the NAT tab, create new NAT rule. Set the chain to SRC NAT. In the SRC address field, enter the subnet of your LAN address. Set the action to masquerade. Step 5. Configure IP address pool. Go to IP, then click on the pool. Click the plus button to create new pool. Set the name of the IP pool. Next, set the IP address range, then click OK to apply the settings. Step 6. Configure the PPPoE profile, server, and user secret. Navigate to PP from the left-hand menu, then select Profiles. Click the plus button to create a new profile. Next, set the profile name and configure the local address and remote address. Next, go to Secret tab, then configure user secret. Next, navigate to the PPPoE server tab and configure the required settings. Step 7. Configure simple queues. Go to Queues on the left-hand menu. Click the plus button under the Simple Queues tab to create a new simple queue. Next, create an unlimited ICMP queue with the target IP set to 0.0.0.0. Create an additional queue for your target user using their WAN address. Next, set their upload-download limit.